5:40 in the morning. Randy Bill texted me that he got the wallet. Let's go to the airport. It is time to make voyage to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. You know what I mean? Hybrid. I'm on your ass.
Lava.
I'm on your ass.
Lava.
Lava. Keep the drip, son. Woo. All right, let's get it. My man Kendall came in the race car today. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna need these gram lights. I'm gonna need you to come up off these.
Come up off, man, I just got them.
Oh yeah, you definitely have to come up off these. He's still fresh. Yeah, we're on our way to Boosie house right now. He got shot, so I gotta go say what up to my dog Boosie, man. You know what I mean? Boosie Boo!
Wow.
I'm on the way, bro! Woo! So yeah, I made it to Hybrid. I've been here for a minute. Had to go to a little tour. David got the big body. Man, must be nice, bro. We finna go to Boosie house. Right, David?
What?
We're gonna go check on little Boosie now?
Yeah, we're gonna go pick up Boosie.
Hey, Boost dog!
He's free now.
Yeah, we're on the way, bro. We're on the way, Boosie, bro. Stay up, young king. I'm at this place called Five Homies, and that's where we're having lunch right now, dog. That's it. Still haven't found Boosie yet. I'm gonna find Boosie, bro. Boosie, if you watching this, bro, pull up. Yeah, I spit on the camera, hold on. All right, now pull up. David's white man truck look kinda nice. That boy nice. We are in the booth right now. Me and David just shot up some promos, man. Vlog game on Extravagante today. Man, David's a beast now, bro. Premiere Pro, bro, I see you.
You're in the studio.
I see you, bro. I see you, big dog. Man's a beast now, son. Woo!
It's crazy.
Premiere Pro, bro. That's crazy, dude. That is the one. Oh shit, that's not the one at all. That's all dead footage, dog.
Okay, then maybe it's this one.
I guess it don't look too hard. Drag it there, so it's just like Final Cut. Here's on the bottom. Damn, is that not it either?
Man, look at all these products. Wow. And you got the nerve to look at me? Man, you crazy. Head on over to HighwayRacing.com to browse their Black Friday deals right now. It's crazy. It's crazy. And from there, we can do.
What can I say, bro? It promos itself. What can I say? Okay, what's up? What's happening? What's up? Little update. This vlog is gonna be a 2-day vlog because ain't no way I'm using this one day as content. But at the hotel room, me and David ended up shooting some promo, went out for dinner and stuff like that. Didn't want to put the camera all in people's face, even though they're all the homies and they wouldn't care because, you know, we all shining. But You know what I mean? Shout out to the homie Derek, man. If you didn't watch the Hybrid Racing live stream, go watch that. My man gifted me a custom embroidered backpack with Zosh MFG on it. This was like, this was a part of the I pledge allegiance to the bag thing, so he got me a bag. And what's in the bag? Coolest shit ever. Filled with Kool-Aid jammers, bro. Completely filled with them. I think some in here too. Yeah, even some in here. Just, bro, peach mango Kool-Aid jammers. I ain't even know they sold those, but yeah, dog. Shout out to the homie Derek for this, bro. I appreciate you, dog. Thanks, Wolf. All right, now I'm gonna shower, eat some of this Red Zeppelin pizza, go to bed, bro. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. My camera's probably fogged up. It's cold as hell up in here, man. That condensation, man. But good morning, y'all. About that time to head on over to the office, you know what I mean, clock in, do some work. Hopefully you guys see my promo that Hybrid Racing launched on a website this morning. Bro, I forgot to bring a toothbrush and my jaw is kicking, bro. This don't smell too good right now, bro, at all. Alright, he got Dave in the white man truck, baby. Round 2, son. Oh man, that was the best sleep I ever got. Bro, I was out at like 9 o'clock. Woke up at 7:59. Woo! That was good right there, man. Hey, bro. Oh, I think you got it. There you go. Fuck, man. Boy, oh boy. She dirty, playboy. Woo! She's dirty. Derek, mine. She dirty, mine.
Oh, baby, yeah.
Oh, yeah. She dirty, mine.
I was telling Dave, I said, if he doesn't know the Del Sol with the graffiti engine bay, then he probably doesn't know if you don't got a Type R, it ain't a Type car.
I know that video. Come on, dog. Come on, man. I know the original video to that shit. Come on, man. Don't insult me like that, dog, on the tube. I'm gonna have to slide your ass on the, you know what I mean?
I'm taking my jammers back.
Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. That peach mango slap. Bro, where'd you find the peach mango?
No, we went to,
that shit,
Winn
right?
Dixie, bro.
Winn Dixie? Oh,
We
man.
went to Winn Dixie and it was like Capri Sun and it was like Kool-Aid Jammer like second.
Yes.
Bro.
Bro, the jammers hit way better than the Capri Suns, dog. I'm telling,
My
bro.
wife was like, what flavor you gonna get? I said, we gonna get them all.
Get them all.
She looked at me and she's like, they're $3 a piece. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Put them in there. Who cares?
Full send, baby.
That fridge is full of.
Oh, you seen him? You see
I'm in
it?
there.
Bro,
Hey, you know what?
this shit's
I
getting
had to
cold.
experience one. I never
Peach
had
mango. What?
I ain't
That's
never
how my
had a
wife
Kool-Aid
was.
jammer.
She ain't never
No.
had a Kool-Aid
Never
jammer.
in my whole life. I'm 22 years old.
Oh my.
Yo,
Where y'all grew what, dude?
yo, we need to set up the
know what it
camera.
was. They was bougie when they was growing
Yeah, they grew up bougie, eating, drinking real juices and shit.
I was drinking
How
Capri
many
Sun.
fucking things of Kool-Aid I made out of sugar in the pack?
But never had a jammer? Come on.
Ever did that shit?
Bro, David,
Plenty of
have I ever done
To
it?
me about fucking.
Bro, I bet your damn Kool-Aid was sweet as, like, not even sweet. That shit was sour as hell.
His mama was like, only 5 scoops.
Oh, yeah, only 5 scoops, David. We have to watch your intake. Hell nah. My mom dumped the whole basket in that bitch. Bro, we will.
At least half the.
You gonna get some diabetes today.
At least half the.
The half, bro. You ever seen thick ass Kool-Aid? Bro.
Better put fucking hot water to dissolve it.
Yep. That's, hey, bro. Put it in the freezer by 3.2 hours. Wraps. Big wraps. Man. She dirty, playboy. God damn, dog. bitch is dirty.
Pretty sure this is all oil.
Y'all, what's happening? Appreciate you for calling. Nah, I mean, I'm here to service you. What you need? What?
What you got?
Oh, nah, I can't do that, bruh. You asking for too much. Nah, dog. Yo,
You want me to tell you how to put a K20 in a 63 Volkswagen Beetle?
That ain't happening, fam. Wrong channel. Peace out. Be easy, pimp. Alright, dog. See what I mean? That's how I do at the office, bro. Know what I mean? Homeboy called me disrespectful, how to slide his ass, you heard?
He said, I can't believe.
These boys over at Hybrid have never had a Kool-Aid jammer. So, since Derek hooked it up and got us a whole ass the year supply.
I don't see the right one, homie.
It's a blue one.
You have to dig, and you gotta dig to the bottom.
Alright, here we go. Oh, it's getting real. I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm hooked on these Johns. If y'all like flavor, which y'all do,
Sugar's in this. It doesn't even tell you how much sugar's in this.
that's good.
I mean, I already know it's gonna be good.
Alright, boys. Full send. Cheers. Full send that. Woo. How we looking?
It's pretty good. I thought it was gonna be way stronger.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh,
Yeah. I'm telling you, bro.
I get it. I
Bro,
get the hype. I get
a
hype.
little 15, 20 second just, you good. I'm telling you,
I
bro.
feel like I can just.
It tastes like a popsicle or something, you know,
It
like
does.
a melted popsicle.
It does.
I'm proud of y'all boys, man. I'm proud of y'all.
They got grape.
Oh, that grape, bro. See, I thought I was being racist to myself. I'm like, man, this grape ain't gonna smack. Best one in the box is the grape.
Where's that?
I don't know if you got grape in there. Bro, that grape, dude. That grape is something serious, bro. I was like, nah, no grape, dog.
Dude, I can mess with the grape.
Bro, that grape, bro.
How's this one?
Strawberry kiwi's pretty damn good too. But that grape, best one in the box, bro. I changed, bro.
Okay.
I'm telling you, yeah. See? Kool-Aid jammers. Hey, Kool-Aid, bro. I know y'all be watching, bro. Bang my line, bro. Bang it, you know what I mean? 5:36. Back at the hotel. That's my day. I didn't film nothing today. This vlog sucks monkey ass. All right, later, David, dog.
All right, bro.
Just safe,
Thanks
man.
for coming.
For sure. Get home safe, dog. Yeah, I hope so. Pulled up at Mr. Clean's crib. Nah, I mean, I need my shit, bruh.
What the fuck?
Damn, Fred, bro, what you trying to find?
I think you need some more cameras, bro.
Nah, he ain't got it. Nah, he need about 2 more.
Yeah, you need.
No, 3 more.
Yeah, you should add some.
Dang, nobody can never steal from Ronaldo's house.
All on Instagram posts. You like?
Yeah. All right, so the homie Ronaldo hooking me up with this, asking for a good deal, man. Instead of paying AutoZone price, I pay Ronaldo price. Well, Broward price. Down south, bruh. Down south. Ooh, back in Christina's guts. You know what I mean? Woo. Let's get home. Get the RS6 back on the road. Got the axle from Ronaldo.